Hello folks, this one is going out for Matthew Haeg over at Patreon, who requested this. Thanks very much indeed for your support. Great tune. Let's dive straight in, shall we? Because there aren't loads of parts to this, but the ones that are there take a little bit of work, I think. So we've got drop D tuning. So low E goes down to D. Tone wise, I mean there's a clean tone in it, but it's an acoustic a lot of the time. You got that going on at the beginning. That's actually the reversed part that you hear as well. So here's how that reversed guitar part sounds reversed. But I'm using a little bit of chorus because I hear a little bit of that going on. Quite subtle though. So if you've got one with a blend knob, perfect, because you don't want it to be too saturated. I'm using the Walrus Audio Julia, and then I'm using the Funny Little Boxes Dirt. So you have love it. So let's crack on with the first riff, shall we? I'm going to play the intro part clean, and then I'll play it through again with the distortion and the chorus. So you've got this octave, but you're also playing two open strings there, right? And the first bar goes. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then you put your second finger on the 6th fret. That little, to add a little bit of tension. So again, flatten your first finger on the 5th fret, and you slide from the 5th to the 3rd, and you've got, and then you slide from the 5th down to the 3rd. 2 palm mutes here. Okay, so then either your 3rd or your little finger, I use my little. You want to put you put that down on the 5th fret on the 4th string, okay? So then you have, again, and then that little run up. So we have, you strike the note, slide up to the 8th fret, same shape. You arrive there for an 8th note, and then you play. And that gives you time to get back to your starting point. So let's do that slowly. That's it, that's the first riff, right? So with chorus and gain. You play that round 11 times, right? And then the 12th time, there's just a subtle variance where you, on the second bar, where you go. You go up to the 10th fret rather than the 8th fret with this. And it's just a 1 finger power chord here. At least that's what I hear anyway. Don't hear that there. So again. And then you go into the chorus, okay? The chorus part is cool. You go to an octave, then a chord that then slides around. And there's 2 bars of 4/4 and a bar of 2/4, right? So the first bar goes. Pretty straightforward. It gets trickier after that though. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up. Then you change and play up, down, down, up, down, up. And I'm leaving my little finger where it is. and I'm going first finger. That D string is muted by a little meet off my first finger there. Then I apply my third finger on that next string down from my little finger, and then I flatten my first finger. That's the comfiest way to play it, I think. Then the second bar goes. You've got that going on, okay? So again. So from the second bar, we strike, and you go down to the 5th fret. So it's down, up, down, down, up. Same motion again, strike and slide down. That's the same strumming pattern, right? Once you get down to the 3rd fret to go up to the 10th, that's held out. And so the first chord is actually a slide to the 10th fret. And then up, down, up, or down, down, up, whichever's easiest. The whole thing, right? Slowly. That's how it should sound. And then with the gain and the chorus. Twice round that back into the verse riff. You do this 8 times this time rather than 12 at the beginning. So you'd have. You already know that, right? The 8th time then is the goes up to the 10th fret again. Like that, into the chorus again. This time you do that 4 times, okay? And then you go into this slightly different part. It's kind of like a middle 8-ish sort of section, but it does go into like a bar of 3/4. So this part though, which you play 4 times, goes like this. You've got that going on. Really cool riff. Again, it's an octave. I'll play it clean again. Octave on the 10th fret. So you got down, up, whack, whack. Then you go up 2 frets. So rhythmically the same phrase twice. And then you stay on the 12th fret with at the end, right? So slowly. Like that. Then some more whacks. 2 at the beginning, and then you have. Cool, isn't it? So you go 8, 5, 3. And around again. So all together. Like that, right? You do that 4 times, and then you go into this. Exactly like that. That's 4 times of open, and then you go up, down, so 4 on the 8. Move down to the 5th fret and do the same, and then just 3 on the 3. And you just repeat that whole thing round. Next up, we got this 4 times. That's pretty straightforward. It's just all in the 12th fret there. And a little bend at the end. And a rest. So down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, and then the bend. Lovely stuff, right? Back into the verse. Oh, nearly mucked that up. And then 3 times of it this time. Then you go to the alternate bit, up to the 10th fret. Like that. Back into the chorus one more time. You already know this riff. Again, 4 times round of that, and then you're into an outro part, and these would be so much harder to work out if it weren't for the fact that they transition into a clean part. So like the intro part you can hear clean because it's reversed. This part you can hear clean because at the end of the song it kind of blends. The distorted guitar part comes down as the acoustic part comes up, so you can really hear what's going on, which is lovely. So you have this. First part then goes. So that's pretty straightforward. So 8, 8, 10, 10. Then you move your first finger down a fret. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, change. Up, down, down, up. Then you move down to the 5th fret. And there's a bar of 4, 4 and 2, 4 there, so just be aware of that. I have put some extra bits in which you hear later, but I'll come to these in a sec. So for now, just get this bit. So from this part, you go up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, okay? And then down to the 3rd fret. This part here that I've put in, you've really flattened your first finger and you just add like your 2nd or your 3rd finger to the 6th fret, right? So that would be... You do those sort of accents. You can put that in as well if you want. And then down to the 3rd fret. And you've got a couple of little upstrokes there. And I'm putting my little finger on the 5th fret on the G. But then you need to put your 3rd finger perhaps on the 5th fret on the D. So just 1 finger power chord first. And then you've got so you're going between those 2 notes to get a bit more melody into the rhythm, right? Which is lovely. So, pretty cool. Let's go through the whole thing slowly. 3, 4. So cool. You do that 5 times. 6th time, it branches off with this. Let's play it with some gain. It goes like this. And that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.